Mr. Shahabuddin, what happens from here? What happens from here? I want to know that from Mr. Shahabuddin. What happens from here in this case, from your perspective, sir?
From my perspective is, I exercise my right to appeal.
Absolutely.
And I go to the Supreme Court. And I don't agree with Madam that the core issue has been settled. Because here is the core legal issue. Core legal issue was that assuming that Babri Masjid was built after demolishing a mandir, not even a Ram mandir.
That's what they're saying.
It has stood for 500 years.
All three of
How
them
can you
said
take that fact away? How can you erase it with a dash of the pen?
That is very judgment very clearly says. You have not read it. They say it says very clearly. The disputed structure was constructed on the site of an old structure after demolition of the same. The Archaeological Survey of India has proved that the structure was a massive Hindu religious structure. They have said all three of them.
Prabhu, I want you to
but they have not even referred. Have they referred? I don't know. I have not seen the judgment. Have they referred to the question of adverse possession?
No, they have not gone into that issue.
500 years.
Adverse possession.
And you can't take it away.
Okay, let me get Acharya Dharmendra into our discussion.
Some parts of the judgment have come out.
Swamiji, where do you see this particular case and this movement go from here? You're saying you're not completely satisfied, but this is a nation and everyone watching tonight wants to move on. They want to leave this in the past, they want to move on. Do you believe that's possible, sir?
जनाब सैयद शहाबुद्दीन साहब अगर संतुष्ट नहीं हैं तो ये उनकी अपनी प्रॉब्लम है। सबसे पहली बात यह है कि यह बात बार बार में भूली जाती है कि अदालतों के फैसले खुश करने के लिए नहीं होते और सारे के सारे पक्ष जो हैं वो न्याय के ऊपर आधारित नहीं होते। एक पक्ष न्याय का होगा तो दूसरा पक्ष अन्याय का होगा और आप दोनों को खुश करना चाहें तो न्याय हो नहीं सकता। ये इस बात को बार बार भूलते हैं कि तीनों जजों ने एक स्वर में स्वीकार किया है कि जहां रामलला विराजमान हैं वो राम जन्म भूमि है। इस बात को स्वीकार क्यों नहीं किया जाता? और अगर वो राम जन्म भूमि है तो झगड़ा समाप्त हो जाना चाहिए। फिर फराख दिली और उदारता और भाईचारा और गंगा जमनी तहजीब इस सबको निभाने की जो गेंद है वो मुस्लिम सुन्नी वक्फ बोर्ड के पाले में है, मुसलमानों के पाले में है और उनको अपने भाईचारे और अपनी गंगा जमनी तहजीब का प्रमाण देना चाहिए, सबूत देना चाहिए।
Okay, for the moment, I'm going to let that be the last word. On the other side of a very short break, senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh, senior BJP leader Yashwant Sinha, senior BJP leader and one of the senior most lawyers in the country, Ram Jethmalani, Javed Akhtar and MJ Akbar are coming up live on center stage when we return in just a moment. For the moment, Syed Shahabuddin, Nirmala Sitharaman, Tavleen Singh, Prabhu Chawla and to our guests, Keshav Rao and Acharya Dharmendra. Thank you very much for joining us and giving us your individual perspectives on this. The great thing, there might be different opinions, but the great thing is peace and harmony prevails all across the country. Let's just hope that's the way it stays. There can be a difference of opinion, but that opinion must be voiced in a very peaceful manner. Let the matter be heard and decided by a court of